Alright, project mini bike. Well, we got this motor from Dennis, but it's too wide. And we got this motor from Brian, but the motor mounts go sideways. We're working on this motor, got it running, but the shaft, that little groove don't go all the way to accommodate a clutch. And then we forgot all about this motor we had laying over in the corner. So anyway, we ended up buying this motor brand new, putting it in a mini bike, and it's best we can tell, it's a mid-70s Montgomery Wards. I picked up off a Craigslist. She's all running, and it's pretty fun.
Do a better one, boy. Oh my god. Right where I wasn't filming.